To replace a speed control switch, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, a pair of crimpers, 2 splices for 14 to 16 gauge wire, the speed control switch, and an 11/16 socket. Start by unplugging the blower. Remove the knob that is connected to the speed control switch. Using the 11/16 socket, remove the nut attaching the speed control switch to the box. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws on the back side of the box. Remove the cover plate. Pull the speed control switch out through the hole in the box. Cut the wires connecting the speed control switch to the power cord. Discard the old speed control switch and grab the new one. Strip about 1/4 inch of insulation off the wires that you just cut. Twist the stranded wires together so that they are not frayed. Connect the wire from the plug side of the cord to the black wire of the speed control switch. Do this using the splice and the crimping tool. Tug on the wires to ensure that you have properly crimped them. Next, connect the wire from the blower side of the cord to the white wire of the speed control switch. Tug on these wires to ensure that you have made a proper connection. Align the small knob on the speed control switch with the small hole inside the speed control box. Press the speed control through the hole in the box. Attach the speed control to the box using the nut and the 11/16 socket. Tuck all of the wires down in the sides of the box. Reinstall the cover plate using the 4 screws that you removed. Push the knob onto the speed control switch and you are done. Plug in your blower and test it to make sure it is working properly.